Hello everyone, my name is Praful Maharjan. I'm a first year student studying in Softrika College. I'm from batch 30B Computing and my student ID is 210233. Today, I have made a library management system using Tkinter GUI. This application can be used by libraries for recording data and other functions as well. We can also update the data that has already been added, and the option of deleting it is also available. We have used database in order to perform this task more effectively. We have also made a login page for ensuring that only authorized people can see the data. The option of registering a new login is also available. Firstly, let me explain the code. Let me bring it to the top. There we go. At first, we need to import the Tkinter. As you can see, from Tkinter import, I have created a window and named it root. So this, let me just take it to root there. There you go, root. We have set the size of the application by using root.geometry and used it according to my preference. So I have used it as 1280 by 680. Similarly, we have used root.title to set our application name as library management system. Moving on to the designing part. There you go. We have made a large frame and named it data frame. We then created two frames inside the frame and named it data frame left and data frame right. As you can see, data frame left and data frame right. Okay. We also added buttons to make the frames look more appealing. In a library, the person who runs the place needs to store data and information like names and other details. So we have created some buttons and entries. In this application, we have made 12 labels and entries. As you can see, these all are the labels and entries. All these entries are on the left data frame. As you can see, I have properly mentioned it that it's on the left data frame or data frame left. On the right data frame, let me just take it there first. Yeah, on the right data frame, we made buttons like add books, update, deletes, and other buttons. This is where all the data. This is also where all the data is shown. We have used scroll bars on both vertical and horizontal sides for making a database. Moving on to the functions. Let me just take you to the very first function. There you go. Moving on to the functions, we have defined a function named submit. In order to use this, first we need to connect to our database, or in this case, since we have already made a database, so we are connecting to it. Then we create a cursor. As you can see, I've created a cursor which is c equals to const.cursor. After that, we need to execute it by inserting into addresses values. As you can see, I have inserted by using execute insert into addresses values. Here we are trying to add the information entered by the user into the database, so we type in all the names of entries. As you can see, all the entries that were on the left data frame are over here. After adding it, we need to clear the text boxes, so we have to, in order to do that, we need to first write all the entries, then dot delete. Since we have to clear everything, so we put it from starting from 0 till end. After that, we created a function named query. This is for showing the records that are registered in the database. At first, we connect to the database, as you can see, like we did earlier. Then we use void from addresses, as you can see clearly over here. Then we need to fetch the data that was stored, so we use c.fetchAll, and I put it as records, so here it is. And then in order to fetch all the data, I have recorded it as print plus equals to string record plus each and every till 12. So let me just show you by running the code. So I run my code. So as you can see, this is the login or registration page. If you are a new user, you just simply go to the register part. So here I put my username as PRAFUL, that is my name, and just put my surname as password. As you can see, it says registration success, so I just press OK. Just a sec. Oh, so sorry, my bad. So I have registered my name, so let me try to log it in. So PRAFUL and my surname MAHARJAN. Then let me just press login. It says login success, so I just press OK, and it takes me to my new window, that is the library management system. Here, let me just show you how it works. I put in a random reference number, let's just say 346. Let me put my book name as diary. Member type, let's just keep it temporary. Book genre, let's keep it action. My address is SATTOBATO. Let's just put the issue date as 2021, and the actual price of the book is, let's just say 3500. I'll put my number. Author, let's just call the author's name James. Post none. Date overdue, let's just say 2, and description as nothing. I just put none over here. So let me add the medicine. As you can see, it says put added successfully, so I just press OK. So I'll just show you all the data that's been stored here already. As you can see, there has been stored quite a number of data over here. So let me show you by deleting one. So number 9, I just press delete, and it says data deleted successfully. I just press OK, and as you can see, the data has been deleted. And if you want to update anything, you just put in the number that you want to update. So I'll just put 2 over here. I press update, and as you can see, you can put in all the details you want and then just save it. And if you're done with the application, you just press exit, and it asks you, do you want to exit? I just press yes, and yeah, the window has been closed. So that was it. That was my application. Thank you.